Hi, today we're going to use AI and Canva to create a layered book cover. Now to start this, all you have to do is type in book cover, choose, maybe put a gap in there, choose Canva templates and search for book cover. And you're going to come up with all of these templates. These can all be inspiration for your book cover. We're going to choose a blank one today, and you'll see it's the shape of a book cover. And we're then going to go to our Magic Media. Now you might need to search in apps for Magic Media, or it might be on the left-hand side here. We're going to create a setting to start with for our book cover. So we might choose dystopian, future, city, and buildings that are falling down in a green and brown hue. We'll click that and Magic Media and AI will do its magic. You can see here now we have the AI generated setting, and you can choose which one that you like the most, so you can even generate again. I actually really like this one here, so I'm going to click on it and it's going to be added to my page here. If I click on these three dots, I can actually then set this image as a background. And you can see here we have this city that looks like it's falling apart. Great for a book cover. The next thing we're going to do is create a character for our book, and we're going to do the same thing by going to Magic Media. We're going to come down and add in our prompt. We would like a young girl in a red hoodie facing away from the front. We're going to see what images that creates. These are some great images here. I'm going to choose this one here, add it in, and it should pop on the page. As you can see, that doesn't fit in very well. So what we can actually do is come up to the background remover, and that is going to take away everything other than our character. And you can see it blends really well in our cover here, and it pops on the cover. Now we need to just add our title. So we're going to go up here, have a look at text. We're going to choose one of these. You can choose one, or you can just write in normal text. I really like the look of, actually, let's try this spray paint one here. So I'm going to add this up. We can call this Time Traveler. And we can make the text larger here as well. So we could just emphasize traveler, go into time, and let's make that 120. And also you can bold each of them as well so they stand out on the page. You can see that has taken very little time, and we already have our time traveler there. We're going to add one more element to this though. We go back to Magic Media. Now we're going to use that same girl in the red hoodie, but this time, instead of looking the opposite way, we want her looking worried. Now, hopefully we'll get an image that looks something similar to the image we have here. It just takes a little bit. So this time we're going to take this image here. We're going to add it. We're going to do the same thing, remove background. And then we're going to make it quite large. And you can see it's taken away the other image, so that's not great. But what we can do here can actually position it to backward, and then to make it look quite cool, we can click on it. So we don't want position anymore. We actually want to make it less transparent. Actually, let's click the wrong one. Let's click this one here, and we can make it less transparent. So it's kind of having that look of what's happening in this. We can make this one pop a little bit more, and you can make edits really easy on Canva. So that's one way you can create a book cover using AI and Canva.